Today we shall start integration by direct substitution method. Integration by direct substitution method. Suppose if the integral is of this form ax plus b to the power of n dx. What is integral? It is ax plus b to the power of n dx. So it cannot be integrated directly. Suppose if it is 2, it could have expanded according to a plus b whole square. If it is 3, it is expanded according to a plus b whole cube. But it is n. May be greater than 3, 4, or it may be a fraction or negative. So in that case, we cannot integrate directly. So what to do? We have to go for substitution method. It means we are changing the variable. The given problem is in which variable? It is with respect to x. The given function is in x. We have to integrate with respect to x. It cannot be integrated at this stage. To integrate this, we need to change the variable, right? By substituting. Substitution method. So for such problem, you take the bracket, that is ax plus b, is taken as t. T is equal to ax plus b. Differentiate this ax plus b with respect to x. So we get dt divided by dx. Differentiate t with respect to t. Dt by dx, that is equal to a into 1 plus b. Differentiation of any constant is 0. That is equal to what? A. So if I take this is equal to t, this will be remain in dx. So that is also changed. To change this, I need to differentiate this. Got it? Therefore, dt by a is equal to dx. Correct? Dt by dx is equal to a. Therefore, take a to denominator. Dt by a, which is equal to what? Dx. Substitute this in the given problem. Therefore, the problem becomes ax plus b to the power of n is t to the power of n. Correct? Ax plus b is t. Therefore, it is t to the power of n. What is dx? Dx is nothing but dt divided by a. Take a outside. It is constant. No, you can take it outside. What is remaining? T to the power of n dt. So this is of what form? X to the power of n form, right? What is integration of x to the power of n with respect to dx? That is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. According to that, this becomes what? 1 by a into t to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Right? The integration is over. The problem is in x, therefore the answer should also be in x. You change that. That is equal to 1 by a into t. What is t? Write the value of t. T is equal to ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Right? So this is the integration by direct substitution method. Why it is called direct substitution method? Now onwards, wherever we have ax plus b, we will integrate in this way. Don't take t is equal to so and so. You can do it directly. How? See. Integration of x to the power of n is what? Integration of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Correct? In place of x, see what is there? Ax plus b. So only difference between this integral and this integral is what? In place of x, we have what? Ax plus b. See the answer. In place of x, we have ax plus b. What is extra? Extra is x coefficient that will be at the denominator. So using this, we can write all integral list of standard integrals into direct substitution method. See, in place of x, what is there? Ax plus b to the power of n. What is answer? Just replace x by ax plus b. Ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We need to write extra. What is that extra? It is x coefficient. What is x coefficient? A plus c. Got it? So now onwards, we can integrate such problems directly without substituting or without taking this substitution, right? Next, it is called as substitution method. See, 3x plus 4 to the power of 5 is equal to what? That is equal to ax plus b form. 3x plus 4 to the power of 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? 3 plus c. Finally, we can write it as 3x plus 4 to the power of 5 plus 1. It is 6 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 3, 18. So, doing all those things, you can avoid it by taking into a standard form. Hence, it is called what? Substitution method. Got it? Now, if I take second one, integration of 1 by x to the power of n is equal to what? It is minus 1 by n minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 plus c. Correct? Here also we can change x as ax plus b to the power of n dx. What will be the answer? 1 divided by n minus 1 into, in place of x, we have ax plus b. Take that. Ax plus b to the power of n minus 1. And we need to write what? We need to write x coefficient. So x coefficient is taken at the denominator. That is b plus c. Right? So like that, for all the list of standard integrals, we have discussed in the previous classes, all x should be replaced by ax plus b, and at the answer we need to write x coefficient at denominator in the answer. Got it? So list of standard integrals ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು x ಗಳನ್ನು ax plus b ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? x ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸಿ e power x ಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ e power x plus c. Suppose e power x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ax plus b ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? e to the power of ax plus b divided by x coefficient. X coefficient ಏನು? a. Integration of sin x ಏನು? It is minus cos x. Correct? Suppose x ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ax plus b ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin of ax plus b dx is equal to minus cos of ax plus b divided by n ಬರೀಬೇಕು x coefficient. Right? ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ x ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ax plus b ಬರೀರಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ x ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ax plus b ಬರೀರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? x coefficient. x coefficient ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. This is called as integration by direct substitution method. Right? ಈಗ let us take one by one. We will take one by one as standard. According to that, we will write the problem. One more point we should remember: ax plus b is a linear equation. So this, what I said now, it is applicable only for ax plus b type. What is A? A may be any constant. What is B? B may be any constant. So Ax plus B means it may be like that, 3x plus 2, 5x minus 7. See, A, B may any constant. It may be positive or it may be negative, right? 4 minus x, 4 plus x, 3 plus x plus 1, x minus 1. Only 5x can also be treated as what? 2x, 3x, 5x. It is also treated as ax plus b. X by 3. It is also treated as what? Ax plus b. Even minus x should also be treated as ax plus b. What is x coefficient? Minus 1. What is b? 0. What is x coefficient here? It is 1 by 3. What is b? 0. X coefficient is 5. X coefficient is 1. 1. 1. X coefficient 1. X coefficient is what? Minus 1. X coefficient 5. 3. 2 minus 3x. What is x coefficient? Minus 3x. So ax plus b means they are all example for ax plus b form. So they should be in this form only. For other things we should not write. Okay. Take one by one. Standard form. Number 1, integration of ax plus b to the power of n dx is equal to ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. What is extra we have to write? X coefficient, that is plus a. This formula is similar to which? X to the power of n. X to the power of n dx, that is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. You should always remember this basic formula. You just extend this idea to here. So in place of x, we have taken ax plus b, correct? Ax plus b. What is extra we have to write? X coefficient. X coefficient is a. Here x coefficient is 1. We cannot write it, right? We can write, but if anything is multiplied with 1, you will get same thing. That's why we are leaving it. Okay. Example to this. Integration of 3x minus or plus 5 to the power of 4. See, observe these two. What is difference? A is 3, B is 5. N is what? 4. Is equal to ax plus b to the power of n is what? 3x plus 5 to the power of n plus 1. What is n? 4. 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? 3 plus c. Finally, this become what? 3x plus 5 to the power of what? To the power of 4 plus 1. It is 5 divided by 4 plus 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15 is answer. Take next example. Integration of 1 minus 4x to the power of 3 into dx. What is ax plus b? It is 1 minus 4x. 1 minus 4x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? It is not only 4, it is minus 4 plus c, or it is equal to 1 minus 4x to the power of 4 whole divided by 4, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 4, 16. It is minus 16 plus c. Integration of 3 minus 2x of root. So root of ax plus b form. So it is integrated. We cannot write it as its answer directly, because what is its power? If it is root, it should be converted into the power 3 minus 2x to the power of into dx. Right? Root 3 minus 2x to the power of what? Of. If it is root, we should take it in as a power of that. So power is equivalent to what? 1 by 2. Now integrate. Integration of that is what? 3 minus 2x to the power of plus 1 divided by of plus 1 into what? Into x coefficient. X coefficient is minus 2. X coefficient is minus 2 plus c. That is equal to 3 minus 2x all to the power of plus 1 is what? 1 and half. 2 is LCM, 1 plus 2, 3. Divided by 3 by 2 into minus 2. Right? 2 get cancelled. So finally it become what? Minus 1 by 3 into 3 minus 2x to the power of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus c. 3 by 2 plus c. Right? Fifth one, integration of 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 dx. It is of what form? Ax plus b. Ax plus b, that is 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1 into x coefficient. What is x coefficient? 5 plus c. That is 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 2 divided by minus 2 into 5 is what? Minus 10 plus c. So like that, you can have ax plus b form, right? Integration of 1 divided by 3x minus 7 to the power of 8. How do you do this? It can be taken as what? 3x minus 7 to the power of minus 8 into dx. Now integrate ax plus b to the power of n. 3x minus 7 to the power of minus 8 plus 1 divided by minus 8 plus 1 into x coefficient. X coefficient is what? X coefficient is 3. That is equal to 3x minus 7 to the power of minus 8 plus 1 is what? Minus 7. All divided by minus 7 into 3 minus 21 plus 6. Right? So they are all examples for standard form ax plus b to the power of n into dx. Next. So as we know that, second one, as we know that integration of 1 by x is equal to what? It is log x plus c, correct? Here also you change x by ax plus b. In both the side, equivalent standard form is what? Integration of 1 divided by ax plus b into dx. See what is the difference? X is replaced by ax plus b. So what will be the answer? It is log of ax plus b divided by as usual x coefficient is taken at the denominator. So integration of 1 by x is log x. Therefore integration of 1 by ax plus b is what? Log of ax plus b divided by x coefficient. That is a. Take the examples. Integration of 1 divided by 7x plus 3 dx. What is the answer? It is log of 7x plus 3 divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? 7. Integration of 1 divided by 3 minus 2x dx. What is the answer? Log of 3 minus 2x divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? Minus 2 plus c. Or it can be taken as 2 minus of 3 minus 2x divided by 2 plus c. Right? Integration of 1 by 1 minus x dx. That is what? Log of 1 minus x divided by x coefficient is what? Minus 1. Finally, it become what? Minus of log of 1 minus x plus c. Right? Integration of 1 divided by 4 minus x or plus x dx. What is the answer? It is also of ax plus b form. Log of 4 plus x divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is 1 plus c. Otherwise it is what? Log of 4 plus x plus c. So this is for what? 1 by x form. Third one, 1 by root x. Integration of 1 by root x is what? 2 root x plus c. Correct? Integration of 1 by root x is what? It is 2 root x plus c. According to that, equivalent to this, the standard form can be taken as root of ax plus b into dx. Integration of 1 by ax plus b. Correct? So all x in the standard form, we should change it into ax plus b as left side as well as in the right side. That is 2 into root of ax plus b divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? A. X coefficient is a. Right? Example. Integration of 1 by root of 3x plus 4 dx. What is the answer? 2 root of 3x plus 4. Correct? Ax plus b. 2 root of ax plus b by x coefficient, that is 3 plus c. Integration of 1 divided by root of x minus 7 dx. What is the answer? 2 root of x minus 7 divided by x coefficient is 1 plus c, or it is 2 root of x minus 7. Right? Integration of 1 divided by root of 4 minus 9x dx. It is also of what form? It is also of ax plus b form. What is a? A is minus 9. What is b? B is 4. That is 2 root of 4 minus 9x divided by x coefficient, that is minus 9 plus c. Right? Integration of 1 divided by root of 4 plus x dx. What is the answer? 2 root of 4 plus x divided by x coefficient. So x coefficient is what? 1 plus c. Right? Next, let us take the other standard form. This is third one. Fourth, integration of e power x is what? It is e power x, right? E power x plus c. So here also we are changing x into what? Ax plus b. See, the equivalent for this is integration of e to the power of ax plus b into dx. So answer is e to the power of ax plus b divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is a plus c. This is next form. See the example. Integration of e to the power of 3x minus 1 dx. What is the answer? Ax plus b is 3x minus 1. E to the power of 3x minus 1 divided by x coefficient is 3. Integration of e to the power of 1 minus 7x dx. What is the answer? E to the power of 1 minus 7x divided by minus 7 plus c. E to the power of only 5x is there. So this is also considered as ax plus b form, right? Ax, b is what? 0. So use same principle for this also. E to the power of 5x divided by x coefficient is what? 5. Sometimes it is given only in this way. This is very important. Somewhere it will be mentioned. E to the power of what? Minus x divided by minus 1 plus c, or it is minus e power minus x plus c. 1 by e to the power of 5x dx. How to integrate this? So for e power, it should be in the numerator, right? According to laws of indices, it is taken to numerator. It is e to the power of minus 5x into dx. Hence, answer is e to the power of minus 5x by what? Minus 5 plus c. Okay. The same way, we can extend the same phenomena for trigonometric functions. Fifth one, integration of a power x dx is equal to what? It is a power x divided by log a. E power x, a power x integration is what? A power x into a power x divided by log a plus c. For this, standard one is what? Integration of a to the power of, I am taking bx plus c because already a is there. Answer is what? A to the power of bx plus c divided by log a into what? X coefficient. X coefficient is here b plus c. Example, integration of 3 to the power of 2x dx. Answer is 3 to the power of 2x divided by log 3 into x coefficient 2 plus c. Please remember that don't multiply this 3 and 2 because it is log of 3, it is only 2, so it should be taken separately. That is 2 into log of 3 plus c, right? Integration of a to the power of minus 3x dx. What is answer? A to the power of minus 3x by log a into x coefficient is minus 3. X coefficient is minus 3 plus c. Integration of 5 to the power of minus x dx. So it is 5 to the power of minus x divided by log 5, right? In place of a, we have 5. X coefficient is minus 1 plus c. It is minus 5 to the power of minus x divided by log 5 plus c. Okay. The same idea can be extended for trigonometric functions. Okay. Integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Integration of tan x is what? It is log of sin x, sorry, secant x. Integration of secant square x is what? It is tan x. In all the 10 trigonometric formulae, all x should be replaced by what? Ax plus b. In the answer also, it will become ax plus b. And extra thing we have to write, that is x coefficient. Where we have to write, it is written at the denominator. See this. Next standard form. Integration of sine ax plus b dx is equal to what? Minus cos of ax plus b whole divided by a plus c. Like that we can extend it for all trigonometric function. For secant square ax plus b, what is answer? Integration of secant square x is what? Tan x. So tan of ax plus b divided by x coefficient plus c. Sometime if it is secant ax plus b into tan ax plus b into dx, it is of what form? Secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x is what? Secant x only. But here we have in place of x, ax plus b. Therefore, the answer is equal to what? Secant ax plus b divided by a plus c. Right? Integration of tan ax plus b is what? For tan x it is log secant x. Therefore, we have to write log of secant of ax plus b divided by x coefficient, that is a plus c. So I have given only few, only 4. So other 6 are followed same steps, right? See the examples. Integration of sine 3x minus 2. What is the answer? For integration of sine x is minus cos x, right? Minus cos of. In place of x, we have to write 3x minus 2 divided by what? Divided by x coefficient 3 plus c. Integration of cos of 1 minus 3x dx is what? For cos, it is sine of 1 minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus c. Tan only 2x is there, no plus b form. So for that also we have to write. For tan, it is log of secant, correct? Secant ax plus b divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? 2 plus c. Integration of secant 2x into tan 2x dx. That is what? Secant x tan x. It is secant 2x divided by x coefficient 2 plus c. Integration of cosecant square 1 minus 4x dx. What is the answer? It is minus cot. For cosecant square x, it is minus cot x, right? In place of x, we have ax plus b form divided by x coefficient is minus 4 plus c. Minus minus cancel. That is cot of 1 minus 4x divided by 4 plus c. Integration of sine x by 3 dx. Sometime coefficient is x coefficient is fraction. Answer is what? Minus cos of x by 3 divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is 1 by 3 plus c. Otherwise, 3 goes to numerator. Minus 3 into cos of x by 3 plus c. Integration of cot of 4 by 4x by 3 dx. So hence for cot it is what? Log of sine, right? Sine. That is 4x by 3. What is x coefficient? X coefficient is 4 by 3. Which is equal to 3 by 4 into the log of sine 4x divided by 3 plus c. So like that we can extend it for all the trigonometric formulae. Okay. So based on all the standard forms, we can work out few problems which have some of the combinations, right? The problem may be of this type. See, integrate the following: x square minus 4 tan x plus 3 e to the power of minus x plus 7 by x minus 2 into dx. Sometimes this type of question will be always there in the exam, right? So how to integrate? Integration of. So whole problem, if you look at that, it will appear as sum or difference rule, right? Plus or minus will be there. You integrate individually. Integration of x square is what? It is x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus. Keep constant as it is. Integration of tan x is what? It is log of secant x, correct? Plus 3 into e to the power of minus x. If it is e power x, answer will be e power x only. It is e power minus x. So e to the power of ax plus b form. This is only in this form, ax plus b form. So answer is e to the power of minus x divided by x coefficient minus 1 plus 7. For 1 by x it is log x minus for constant it is 2x plus c. So finally, it is x cubed by 3 minus 4 into log of secant x plus into minus 3 into e to the power of minus x plus 7 log x minus 2x plus c. In the same way, integration of 3 divided by x square minus 4 by root x minus 7 cos x plus 1 by 1 plus x square minus e to the power of 2x dx. So all are ordinary terms, right? Except this, it is of e power ax plus b form. Other terms are what? They are all ordinary terms. Integrate individually. Keep 3 as it is. 1 by x square is of what form? It is 1 by x to the power of n form minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into x to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 4. For 1 by root x, it is 2 root x minus 7. For integration of cos is what? Sin x plus integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is what? It is tan inverse x minus for e power x, e power 2x divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? It is 2. Right? Finally, it become what? Minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into x to the power of 1, that is x only. Minus 4 into 2, 8 root x. Minus 7 sin x plus tan inverse x minus e power 2x divided by 2 plus c. Right? Integration of 4 tan x minus 3 sin 2x plus 1 by 2 root x minus 3 e power minus 5x plus 5 into dx. 4 into integration of tan x is what? It is log of secant x minus 3. Integration of sin ax plus b form, correct? It is minus cos of ax plus b divided by x coefficient plus for 1 by root x, it is 2 root x. It is only root x because 2 is here. For 1 by root x, for 1 by root x, it is 2 root x. For 1 by 2 root x, it is only root x minus 3 e power ax plus b, correct? E power ax plus b is e power ax plus b divided by x coefficient plus for constant, it is constant into function. So this is the answer, right? Say this. This is very important. Sin square x dx. Sin square, cos square, sin cube, cos cube. They are all very important problems, right? How to integrate this sin square? So as I mentioned in the last class, cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Otherwise, if it is 2 sin square a is equal to what? Minus 2 sin square is taken to this side, it will become 2 sin square a. 1 minus cos 2a. Otherwise, if it is sin square a, it should be taken as 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, please remember for cos square a, you take it 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2. These two are very important, right? Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Similarly, cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So these two formulas we have used oftenly, right? Just replace sin square x as what? 1 minus cos 2x all divided by 2 into dx. This is not integrable. Now this is integrable. correct? You take 2 outside, 1 by 2, integration of 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Therefore, keep 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of 1 is what? X minus integration of cos 2x. It is cos of ax plus b form, correct? Cos of ax plus b is sine of ax plus b divided by x coefficient 2 plus c. The same way we can take cos square x. This is important one. Sine square, cos square, sine cube, cos cube. Integration of cos square x is, so this cos square can be taken as what? 1 plus cos 2a by 2. 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 into dx. Cos square x is what? For cos square x, it is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Take 1 by 2 outside. What is remaining? 1 plus cos 2x into dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into. Integrate this. Integration of 1 is x plus integration of cos 2x is what? It is sine 2x divided by 2. See, only the difference for sine square and cos square is what? Only the minus and plus. Here is minus, here is plus. Sometime they will give you like that, sine square 3x dx. In place of a, we have 3x. Write according to that. 1 minus cos 2a. A means what? 3x. Correct? All divided by 2 into dx. In place of x, suppose if you have 2x, 3x, 5x, then use this. Sine square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Right? Cos 2a. It is sine square a. What is a? 3x. Hence it is what? 1 minus cos 2a. In place of a, we have to write 3x divided by 2. Now it becomes 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos of. You can multiply these two. It is 6x into dx. Now it is integrable. You can integrate it. 1 by 2. For 1 it is x minus, for integration of cos is what? It is sine 6x divided by 6 plus c. So like that you can take any value in place of x, right? Next, sine cube x dx. This is also important. Most important. For sine cube, use this formula. Sine 3a is equal to what? 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Is it right? Sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. I need sine cube. Take this side. It becomes what? Minus become plus 4 sine cube a is equal to 3 sine a minus sine 3a. 3 sine a minus sine 3a, or sine cube a is equal to 3 sine a minus sine 3a all divided by 4. Right? If they give sine cube a, from sine 3a formula, you need to convert it for sine cube a, right? So according to that, this problem reduces to 1 by 4 into 3 sine x minus sine 3x into dx. Is it correct? Just I have replaced the formula. Now take 1 by 4 outside. For remaining, you just integrate it. 3 sine x minus sine 3x into dx. That is 1 by 4 into 3 into integration of sine x is minus cos x minus integration of sine ax plus b. Sine ax plus b is what? minus cos Ax divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? 3 plus c, which is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 3 cos x minus into minus plus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c. The same way we can take cos cube theta into d theta. So it may be given in x or it may be given in t or theta, right? Take this cos of 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Is it right? This is a compound angle formula. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. I need this. Take this minus 3 cos a to this side. So it becomes what? 3 cos a plus cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a. 4 cos cube a. I need only cos cube a, correct? Therefore, cos cube a is equal to 1 by 4. This 4 goes to denominator into what? 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Just replace that into cos cube theta is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta into d theta into d theta. Now this is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta into d theta, correct? Keep 1 by 4 as it is. Integrate the integral. 3 into integration of cos theta is what? It is sin theta plus integration of cos theta is what? Sin 3 theta divided by theta. Sorry, it is 3. Coefficient of theta is what? 3 plus c. So these 4 are very important. Sin square, cos square, sin cube, cos cube. Among these 4, definitely one will be given in the exam. So apart from that, sometimes trigonometric terms, sin and cos will be given. If they give like that, use this transformation formula, that is sin of a plus b is equal to sin a sin a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin a into cos b is equal to what? Half of sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Suppose cos is first, sin is next, cos of a into sin of b. Cos a sin b is there. Same formula should be taken. But it is what? Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos a cos b. Cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. A sin b is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So if any problem given in this form, cos a, sin a, cos b, cos a, sin b, cos a, cos b, sin a, sin b, use the formula accordingly. Then integrate. We don't have product rule, correct? If the two trigonometric functions are given in product form, if they are in this form, sin a, sin b, cos a, cos b, cos a, sin b, sin a, cos b, use that formula, that is transformation formula, simplify it, then integrate. See the example. Integration of cos 5x into sine 3x dx. Based on these four transformation formula, we are working out problems. The given problem is in what form? Cos A sin B, correct? Cos A sin B. Cos A sin B is equal to, we have to use second formula, right? It is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Here we have x, correct? We have x. Use cos A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B formula. Then 1 by 2 is taken outside the integral symbol. What is remaining? Sine of 5x plus 3x, 8x, minus sine of 5x minus 3x, it is 2x into dx. We can integrate it, right? The product is converted. The product is converted into sum or difference. Then it will be integrable, right? It is 1 by 2 into integration of sine 8x is what? It is minus cos 8x divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is 8. Minus integration of sine, that is minus cos 2x divided by x coefficient 2 plus c, that is 1 by 2 into minus cos of 8x by 8 minus of minus plus cos of 2x divided by 2 plus c, right? Take next one, integration of sine 3x into cos x dx. This is of what form? Check, this is of first one, right? Sine A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B. What is A? What is B? Sine of A, sine of B. B is only x, A is 3x. Right? According to that, the 1 by 2 into sine of 3x plus x, 3x plus x plus sine of A minus B. A is what? 3x minus B is what? X. That is equal to integration of 1 by 2 into sine of 4x plus sine of 2x into dx. If I integrate it, I will have what? Take 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of sine 4x. It is minus cos 4x divided by 4. Plus, again integration of sine. It is minus of cos 2x divided by 2 plus c. Otherwise, it is 1 by 2 into minus cos 4x divided by 4 minus into plus minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus c, right? Sometimes they give you like this integration of 2 into cos 4x into cos x dx. 2 will be given extra. So it is of what form? This is cos A, cos B form, correct? Cos A, cos B is equal to what? Cos A, cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is, take 2 outside, write the formula, that is 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B. A is what? 4x. B is what? X. It is 4x plus x plus, correct? Cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b. A is 4x minus b is x into dx. That is equal to 2 to get cancelled. Integration of cos of 4x plus x is 5x plus cos of 4x minus x is 3x into dx. Now you can integrate it. Integration of cos is what? Sine of 5x divided by 5 plus sine of 3x divided by 3 plus c. Suppose if both are sine like this, 2 into sine 3x into sine x or 2x dx. It is of last form, correct? Sine a, sine b is equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. That is 2 into minus 1 by 2 into cos of a is 3x, b is 2x. 3x plus 2x minus cos of a minus b. What is a? 3x. What is b? 2x into dx. Here also 2 to cancel, minus of integral of cos 5x minus cos x dx. That is equal to minus of integration of cos is what? Sine 5x divided by 5 minus integration of cos x is what? Sin x plus c. Correct? So these are some of the problems related to transformation formulae. Sometime the problem is of this root of 1 minus sin x dx. Root of 1 minus sin x dx. So 1 can be taken as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Because why I am taking in x by 2 form? Because sin x can be taken as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is submultiple angle form. When we take this sin x in sin x by 2 cos x by 2 form, I should take 1 in terms of x by 2 only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So just replace 1 by what? 1 by sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin x can be taken as what? 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 into what? Into dx. Observe the bracket. The bracket is of what form? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab. It is a minus b whole square. Is it right? A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b whole square. This square and root get cancelled. What is remaining? Remaining is sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. You can integrate this. Integration of sin ax plus b form. Sin ax plus b form. It is minus cos of x by 2 divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is 1 divided by 2 minus integration of cos ax plus b. It is sin ax plus b divided by x coefficient, that is 1 by 2. Otherwise, you can take 2 to the numerator. Minus 2 cos x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 plus c. If it is plus, so answer will be same type, same answer. but only differ by what? Sign. Okay. See, this same problem is interpreted in this form. Sine x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square into dx. The concept is same, but only given in different form. This has to be expanded according to a plus b whole square form. Suppose if they give in this form, it is to be taken into a plus or minus b whole square form, right? Expand it. Expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a is sin x by 2 into b is cos x by 2 into dx. Observe this expression, sin square a plus cos square a. So it is 1. Sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 is what? It is 1. Plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 can be taken as what? Sin x. So it become what? 1 plus sin x into dx. Integrate it. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of sin x is minus cos. So minus of plus become minus cos x plus c. Suppose if it is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. Right? Integration of root of 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x into dx. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So use submultiple angle formula. Cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Or if minus 1 is taken to this side, it become what? 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So wherever we come across 1 plus cos theta or 1 plus cos x, it should be taken as 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, cos theta is have another formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. Therefore, 2 sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So in place of 1 minus cos theta, it should be taken as what? 2 sin square theta by 2. Now substitute according to that. It become 1 minus cos x is equal to 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Correct? These two get cancelled. What is remaining? Sin square by cos square. It is tan square x by 2. Can you cancel square and root? It is whole square. You can cancel it. Finally, tan x by 2 remains. Now integrate this. Integration of tan log of secant x by 2 divided by x coefficient is what? X coefficient is 1 divided by 2 plus c, or it is 2 into log of secant x by 2 plus c. 2 into log of secant x by 2. So whenever we come across 1 minus cos theta or 1 minus cos a, it should be taken as 2 sin square a by 2. If it is 1 plus cos a, it can be taken as 2 cos square a by 2. See this, 1 by 1 plus cos x dx. It can also be carried out by rationalization method. I have explained same problem in beginning itself. In that method also you can carry out. Otherwise, you can use this formula. 1 plus cos theta is what? 2 cos square theta. This is 1 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. Correct? Take 1 by 2 outside. What is remaining? 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square become what? Secant square x by 2 dx. Now it is integrable. You can integrate 1 by 2 into integration of secant square x. It is tan x. Correct? Tan of x by 2 divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is what? X by 2. It is 1 by 2 plus c. This 1 by 2 get cancelled. Finally, it is what? Tan x by 2 plus c. Suppose if it is 1 by root of 1 minus cos x dx. So it is taken as what? Root of 1 minus cos x become 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square x divided by 2, right? Into dx. 1 by, separate the root 2 into root of sine square x by 2 into dx. Take 1 by root 2 outside. Cancel square and root. What is remaining? 1 by sine. 1 by sine is what? Cosecant x by 2 into dx. Now 1 by root 2 into what is integration of cosecant x? Integration of cosecant x is equal to minus log of cosecant x plus cot x. Correct? It is minus log of cosecant x by 2 plus cot x by 2 all divided by 1 by 2 plus c. Right? So this is taken to numerator. It is minus 2 divided by root 2 into log of cosecant x by 2 plus cot x by 2. This 2 can be taken as 2 square. Root 2 square is what? It is 2 only now. 2 can also be taken as root 2 square. So here is root 2. Therefore, I am going to write this in terms of root 2 by root 2 into log of cosecant x by 2 plus cot x by 2. So this root of 2 get cancelled. Finally, it is minus root 2 into log of cosecant x by 2 plus cot x by 2. Integration of root of 2 divided by 1 plus cos x dx. Root of 2 by 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2, right? Just 2 to get cancelled. What is remaining? 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square is taken as what? Secant square x by 2, right? Square root cancel. What is remaining? It is secant x by 2 into dx. Now integrate it. Integration of secant is what? Log of secant x by 2 plus tan x by 2 divided by x coefficient. X coefficient is 1 by 2.